National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay south of the line between East Point, New Jersey and Slaughter Beach, Delaware, the Atlantic coastal waters between Cape May, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware out to 20 nautical miles, including Cape Henlopen, Rehoboth Beach and Brown Shoal Light, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:11 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over Cape Henlopen, moving southeast at 15 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near over Rehoboth Beach by 4:35 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.